All right, let's look at jump 50 and we see if we can make some money. H4, we knew that was a pennant. We were anticipating a fake breakout up there or right here to later give us that sell. So we haven't seen it, and we are still within that pennant. So now that we know what we were looking for, we can now delete everything right here. Actually, you can delete that only and remain with this. So what is price doing? Price reacted back to this level. Price reacted back to this level, and there is an order block. That means a buy is on. If I go to M15, do I have an entry? I believe I can enter from here. Why? Because price has reacted to that order block. Is it even an order block? No, it has gone back to that fair value gap here. And if I use my trend line right there, I can anticipate a flag. Yes, that becomes a flag. So that can tell me that I can enter right here my buys and put my stop loss below this. So use 0.05 and make your buy entries right there, and you're going to have your stop loss all the way below here. And now I'm going to be looking for the buys to take me right there. Your first TP, of course, is right here. That is your first TP. That is your first TP. This is jump, so you need to calculate and know how much you need to risk on each trade before you anticipate lot size, because the higher the lot size, the higher the risk. So you need to know what is your risk tolerance per trade before you use a lot size. So probably let's say you have you're looking at risking $10. That is your risk tolerance according to your account. Then you get this entry price, which is this level, subtract the stop loss price here, and then multiply it with your lot size to understand how much you're going to risk on this trade. Same thing is what you will also do if you're going to understand how much you're going to be taking on such a trade as what we mean by take profit. So for now, if you take your profit here, that is a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Clearly, if you're going for this first TP, that is a 1-to-1. It's more than 1-to-1, but it's like a 1-to-1 point something. But mostly you can reduce. I've put this stop loss all the way below because it can easily come for this and then get back into buys. It can easily do that. It's going to get all the way up there. Your first TP, if you're using this is your first TP right there. I mean the second TP actually, because you want to first take out the highs here, then the second TP will be right here. Then where I have my TP is your third TP.